Hi YouTube, I'm Will. This is a roll bender I made, and I'm going to talk about it. Okay, so this is my metal bender. It's a fairly straightforward design. I have a base plate here. It's an 8-inch channel. I have a 4-inch channel on the stationary side, and the top plate is made of 6-inch channel. To support the top roller, I have some 1/4-inch by 4-inch plate, and we have pillow block bearings that are 1-inch, another pillow block bearing 1-inch, and some 1-inch flange bearings. I did knurl the drive roller, but it's started to wear out a little bit. And to roll some round stock, I cut some channels into the rollers. It's operated with just a bottle jack, pretty straightforward, and a couple of simple little hinges that I turned up and made. So that's pretty much it. One design consideration I would recommend if you're going to build your own is on your hinge. Buy a hinge that has a pretty tight tolerance so that everything is aligned. Mine is a little bit off, so stuff that's not flat tends to want to wander a little bit on me. It tends to sort of roll away. And you'll see that a little bit in the demonstration that's coming up.